Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. In that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. All right, so what are we going to be doing today? Avocado ice cream. All right, so to make our avocado ice cream, we're going to need 2 ripened avocados. We're going to peel our avocado, clean it up, cut off any pieces that don't look good. And then we're going to cube our avocados so it will make it easier for us to process it in the food processor. Okay, we're also going to need 1 tin of sweetened condensed milk. So now we're going to add our avocados to the food processor, as you can see here. And then we're going to add our 1 tin of sweetened condensed milk. And we're going to process this until nice and smooth, until you don't have any chunks remaining. So keep on opening, scraping on the sides. We're going to use 1 3/4 teaspoons of lime juice, and we add that to our mixture there. Now we're going to use 1 box of heavy cream of 473 ml, and we're going to whip our heavy cream until we get a nice sort of thick consistency. We're going in essence, we're making whipped cream from the heavy cream. Okay, so now that you get those nice peaks, we're going to add now our processed avocado mixture. We're going to fold that in. This is going to be a very simple ice cream, guys. So we fold in our whipped cream with our avocado mixture, and there you have it, folded in nicely. We're going to add now 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence to it, and let's mix that well. All right, that looks like it's mixed thoroughly there. So now we're going to add this to a freezer safe container. And basically that's it. Our avocado ice cream is done. All we need to do is freeze this now, guys. So we're going to put this in the freezer for about 5 hours in order to set. And then our ice cream would be finished. So there you have it after 5 hours. Now we have our ice cream, and to top it off, if you want that Caribbean sort of flavor to it, you can top this with some a little bit of grated nutmeg. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Bye for now.